Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm a drinking water analyst, and here today we're going to talk about drinking water sampling. Sampling for lead and copper in drinking water is very important for any community and is critical that all sampling is conducted properly to ensure accurate results. In this video, we will show you how to complete the 1-bottle first draw lead and copper water sample. This sampling is required for public water supplies to comply with their requirements under the Michigan Safe Drinking Water Act. This sampling can also be used by homeowners to get information about their drinking water. You need to choose a kitchen or bathroom faucet that you use daily. If you are sampling because your water supply has requested it, now is a good time to bypass any faucet-mounted device like a filter. If your home has a reverse osmosis system, water softener, iron filter, or other treatment device, please contact your water supply before sampling. Prior to collection, your water needs to sit in the pipes for at least 6 hours. Try setting a reminder to collect your sample first thing in the morning before everyone else in the house wakes up. You could also try to collect your sample after work if no one stays home during the day. This will ensure that no one took a bath, used the toilet, did dishes, or just used the water in general during that time. Once the waiting period is over, it's time to start sampling. In your sample kit, there should be one 1-liter bottle, sample instructions, and a way to contact your water supply or laboratory. Now grab your bottle and follow along. I'll show you the proper sampling technique. If you have a single handle faucet like this one, make sure the handle is all the way to the cold side before you start your sample. Now we just take our bottle, remove the cap, make sure you turn the water on full, just like you're filling up a glass of water. Fill it all the way up to the neck before turning the water off. Next, securely attach the cap. Now fill out the paperwork provided to you by the water supply or the lab. Don't forget to record the date, the time, your address, and name. Check your paperwork to find out how to contact your water supply so they can pick up the sample. If you're collecting these samples for your own purposes, it's your responsibility to make sure that the sample makes it to the lab within 14 days. Be sure to fill out the request for analysis form and include a form of payment before dropping the sample off or mailing it to the lab. For more information, call the number or visit the website on the screen. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more instructional videos, and happy sampling.